Everyone, welcome back to MTech ICT Basics, and we're going to start off with our series on the practical part of our package, and we shall begin with the Microsoft Word, and for our case we shall use Microsoft Word 2016. Those ones who are still new on this platform, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell by clicking on that bell. So before we begin the practical part, we need to know how to open Microsoft Office Word. Show you the different ways of opening Microsoft Office Word. One of the ways is you come to the start menu, then you just type the word Word. For our case, we said we are going to use Office 2016, so just click on it, you give it time to open. So when it opens, that's the first page it brings. Then you click on blank document. So that is the first way. The other way is you just come, if you have your icons on your taskbar, just come and click on it, and it will open your program. So once you have opened the program, this is the first interface it will bring, and when you look at it, it has different items here. This one here is the one that we call the menu bar. Under each menu item, we have different tools that we use while we are formatting or editing our text or our document. For example, when you look at the home, you have different items here. You have paste, format painter, cut, copy. This one is font. This one here, it is the one that you can use to change different font, to change the font size, to bold, to make it italic, to underline, and so on and so forth. We shall look at most of these items. Then insert, it's where you can insert a blank page, a cover, a table, pictures, and so on and so forth. Then design, it is where you can put different designs in your document. Maybe you want to change the page color, to change to put borders, to put watermark, and so on and so forth. Then layout, it's where you can find margin, orientation, whether you want it to be portrait or landscape, columns and line numbers, page breaks, and so on and so forth. So we shall look at most of those items and how to use them. Then before we start the actual work, we need to understand what word processing means, or what a word processor, what it means. In simple terms, word processing is the act of creating, editing, formatting, saving, and printing a document. How do you create a document? You create a document by just typing. For example, if I wanted to type my name, I can say my is Mawia. So that is creating. I have created some text. Then what does editing mean? Editing means you are going to try and correct the mistakes. For example, if you look at this one, it is being highlighted with a red zigzag line. It means there's a mistake there. The computer does not recognize it. So I can just decide to add this name to the dictionary, or I ignore the red zigzag line will go. So in doing that, I'm editing. Then formatting means you are not going to change the meaning of the text, but you are just going to enhance its appearance. For example, if I wanted to increase its font size, for example, to 20, so that it is visible enough, that is formatting. Or if I wanted to change its font color, maybe to red, that one is also formatting. Then printing, you all know how printing, you just connect a printer to the computer, then you print. Saving is you just come here to file, come to save as, then you browse, come to browse, then you type the name. For example, you can type any name. For example, I can type Mawia. If I type Mawia, I try to browse, maybe I want to put it on desktop, I just click save. So that is word processing. Then a word processor is an application that is used to create, edit, format, save and print a document. So in simple terms, that is a word processing and word processor. So in the next video, we are going to look at how we create, how we edit, and how we format a document. So for this video, I just wanted to introduce you to word processing. Thank you for being a great audience, and thank you for supporting my channel. Those ones who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to subscribe by hitting on the subscribe button, and you turn on the notification bell. Thank you for being with me. Bye bye.